We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in Revit architecture software.
In this video, we will discuss about how to draw a window in Revit family. Go to Home tab. Click on Create New Icon under Family. Select Metric Window Family Template. Open the exterior elevation view. Here we are going to draw 150 by 150 size window and sill height 60. For editing these values, go to Modify tab and click on Family Type under Properties panel. Now a dialog box is opened. Under Dimension panel, we can edit the height and width. And under Others panel, edit the sill height. First, we have to draw frame of the window using extrusion tool. We have the window frame width 6 units and depth 8 units. Extrusion tool is used to create a 3D solid by extruding a 2D profile. Go to Create tab and click on Extrusion under Forms panel. Draw the window frame sketch using Draw tools. Click on Finish button. Now the framework is completed. Next, we have to create the window panel. For that, we have to use sweep, blend, extrusion tools. Panel width is 3 units. First, we will use the extrusion tool. Next, we will use blend tool and sweep tool for a design work on this panel. Blend is used to create a solid 3D shape that changes along its length. While using its blend, the geometry will have a different starting shape with respect to its ending shape. Sweep tool is used to create a 3D shape by sweeping a 2D profile along in a path. Go to Create tab and select the Blend tool under Forms panel. And draw the design sketch using Draw tools. In Blend tool, we need to sketch two profiles. First sketch is drawn in Edit Top mode. After that, change it to Edit Base before drawing the second sketch. Click on Finish tool. And again, go to Create tab and select Sweep tool. Here we need to draw a profile and a sketch path. First, draw the sweep path using Sketch Path option. Next, we will go to draw the profile shape you want to sweep. For that, go to Edit Profile, open a view. And draw the sketch using Draw tools. and click on Finish button. And copy this panel to other openings. We have already discussed in our previous videos to load and save this family into a project. Please make use of those videos to import the family into a project. Thanks for watching this video.